Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can keep the header row visible in Google Sheets. So unlike in Google Docs, there's no such feature where you can add header to the document. In Google Sheets in here, so you can add header. But if you want to make a header, I want to show you this trick. For example, I want to keep the header up to this rows 17. So what you need to do is just freeze the row. So in here, you can just block the row that you want to freeze. For example, up to here, 18, sorry, not 17. And after that, you can go to the freeze option. You can go to view and you'll see freeze, and in here you can just click on up to row 18 or the row that you want to set. Click on it, click on OK, and just like that, now the header row will always be visible on the Google Sheets. You can also change the view to see more view. So that's how you can keep header row visible on the Google Sheets. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click